Hi everybody, it's Cathy and welcome to my January favorites. I cannot believe that January is over. Actually, the month of January being finished is one of my favorites for the month. It's always a dreary month here in Canada. We don't see much sunlight, so I'm always happy to flip that calendar over and see a new month. For my favorites this month, I shopped my stash. I didn't purchase anything new for the month of January other than a few things for my trip, which you will see next month. I really just wanted to shop my stash and rediscover old favorites. So the first thing that I'm going to show you, and I'm wearing some of it today, is the Hourglass Ghost palette. I love this palette. It has 2 blushes, a bronzer, and 3 powders. Sometimes I will just wear this palette without any makeup on my face. I'll just put a little bit of powder on. I really like the Hourglass products that I have tried, and I find that they do a very nice job of blurring out any skin imperfections, and they really do work well with my skin. I love this palette and you will continue to see me using it in the future. Next up is the Dior Dreamskin Cushion Foundation. I'm going to dedicate a whole video to this foundation whenever I get home in February. It has a really nice compact mirror. Comes with a little puff, which I never use. I'll use either my favorite brush, which I'm going to show you, or a damp beauty blender, and that's what it looks like, and I wear the color 20. I really love how this applies, how it wears, and just how it sets on my skin. I find sometimes when I use some other foundations, they'll show like imperfections or if I have any dryness. This doesn't. And this paired with the Hourglass powder really does create a beautiful look. So be on the lookout in the next month whenever I get back from vacation for a dedicated video just to that. And to finish off my look, I have been loving this Marc Jacobs lip gloss. It's a cream lip gloss. The shade of this one is called Mauve Time, and it's just one of those twist up things. I've really gotten a lot of use out of this creamy lip gloss. I got another bottle of Joy perfume for Christmas. As you can see, I've already used quite a bit of it. It's down to there. I love this perfume. I wear it every day. It's just a really nice, light floral scent. It's not overpowering. And I just love the bottle. It's so pretty. So that's my favorite perfume for the month. I'm really enjoying the Farmacy cleansing balm, and I like that it comes with a handy little spatula. Some cleansing balms that I've used in the past do not come with that, so I appreciate it because you're not getting bacteria in there by sticking your fingers in. It really does a great job of turning into almost an oil cleanser on my face. It does a really great job taking off makeup, not just foundation and powders, but as well as my mascara, my eyebrows. It has a really nice clean scent, so I'm really enjoying that, and this is something that I would pick up when it's on sale at Sephora. I have to show you my favorite brush for the month. Well, it's my favorite brush for all time. It's dirty from me putting my makeup on this morning, but it is the IT Cosmetics number 6 face brush. It's a flat top buffing foundation brush. I use this to put all of my foundations on, whether they're powder, cream, cushion, liquid. It just is my favorite foundation brush of all time. I haven't talked about this in a while, but I use it twice a day faithfully for the last probably year and a half, and it's the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream. I wear it morning and night. It is a really nice light moisturizing eye cream, and I can tell you that it's really transformed my eyelids. They used to be oily, but they're not anymore. I don't know why, if it has something to do with this. I basically just make a circle around the eye and under the eye, and I wish you could feel the skin. It's just so soft. It's like baby skin. It is really soft, and it's really transformed my eye area, so I highly recommend that. A couple of hair products that I reach for every day, and I decided to put in my favorites this month. The first one is by Lanza, and it is their Neem Plant Silk Serum. I will put 1 full pump of this into my hands after I wash my hair, and I'll just rub my hands together and then just work it through my hair. Now I stay away from the top. I always stay away from the top of my hair with hair products just because my hair gets oily very easily. This does a great job at keeping the frizz away. It really softens my hair. Like my hair is like silk whenever I use this, and if I use another product, I immediately do notice a difference. So I'm gonna have to replenish this one. It's getting low, but it lasts forever and I love it and highly recommend it. And my other hair favorite for January is by Drybar. It's a brush, and it is the small round brush. And this is what I use to dry my hair. I basically just, whenever I'm doing my hair, I will just have the heat going on my hair for probably 90% of the time. And then just when my hair is almost dry, I will just take this and I will just straighten out my hair, and it does a really great job of making my hair straight. Otherwise, it would be like all puffed out like that because I have a lot of hair. So now I have a favorite pair of boots, and these are by Uggs. This is my second winter wearing these boots. I wear them every day. I forget the name, but I will link everything below. I wear a size 10, I know I'm Bigfoot, but they are lined with sheepskin. Actually, I will go barefoot in the winter because I'm wearing these outside with the sheepskin. I'm wearing my Ugg slippers. I don't wear socks anymore in the winter unless it's like really, really cold, or I know that we're going somewhere where I'm gonna have to take off my boots. But I absolutely love these. They have great traction on the bottom. They really keep my feet warm, and I just love the ease of slipping them on and off. I really like them. And the next item that I have to show you is my Coach Cassie purse. I have a couple videos that I've done on this, and I have a new video that I will be doing whenever I get back from my cruise. I have carried this purse every day for the last 7 months. I love it. I have nothing negative to say about this purse. It is one of my all-time favorite purses. The only thing that I wish it was that it had silver hardware. If it ever comes out with silver hardware, I will definitely buy it. I wear it as a crossbody most of the time, but I also can carry it by the handle or just put it on my shoulder. It is sufficiently big to carry everything that I need to carry in my purse. And be on the lookout for another video on that coming up. The next thing that I have to show you was my Christmas gift this year, my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I have dreamt about owning this purse for years. My husband surprised me at Christmas time with this purse. Absolutely love her. She is beautiful. I finally got an organizer. You can see it in there. Check out my videos. I will link them. I love this purse, and I will be doing a video in the next couple of months about how I organize it, but also my impressions after using it for a while. This is the Neverfull, the medium size, the MM, and the Damier band print with the red interior. Love it. And I have one movie recommendation for you. If you have Netflix, you might be interested in this movie. It's Holiday in the Wild. The girl from Sex and the City, I think her name is Kristen Davis, and Rob Lowe is in this movie. I really liked it. It's set in Africa. It's a love story, but it's cute. It also focuses on elephant poaching and the orphaned elephants. It's a really heartwarming show. It was very disturbing because they quoted something like 60 or 70% of the elephant population has been killed in the last 10 years due to hunting and poaching. As an animal lover, that is devastating news to hear. So the movie focuses on a love story. Really, I think about the main character, the woman, learning to love herself again, but also her connection with the animal. I don't know, I just really liked it. My husband watched it with me, he enjoyed it. So I just thought I'd mention it. You guys might like it too. So that's it for January. I have lots of fun videos planned for February. So if you are new, please click that subscribe button before you go. I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.